time I see DNA, I see blurs inside my head.
I wrote this song to teach you about adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine. And the DNA, they go
Atcg, Atcg.
And the DNA, they go
Tagc, Tagc.
And the DNA, they go
Atcg, Atcg.
And the DNA, they go
Tagc, Tagc. Is it where that RNA sequences begin to change whenever it's RNA?
Uracil replaces thymine. Just remember this simple rule. Uracil replaces thymine.
Oh, her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say
2 turbines! Deoxyribonucleic acid contains your genetic code. DNA, a molecule that make up all your chromosomes. It's made up of a double helix structure, a 2-stranded spiral, a setup of instructions for your cells, so that they know what to do, like sending nerve signals and more new bones, making proteins from acids, aminos, a complete set of genetic code.
It's a genome, nucleotides, make chains, and we have 3 things that compose, like phosphate, nitrogen base, deoxyribose. Each nucleotide base is made up of these 4: iodine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. A always pairs with T, and that's the base pair rule. C always pairs with G, and that's the way they go. Yeah! DNA is a deoxyribonucleic acid. Yeah! 2 turbines! Let's go! Look like they're not shining. Her hair. I gotta do. Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say
2 turbines!